This Senegalese dish will blow your mind. Exploding Head Senegal. This is Senegal's national treasure, Thieboudienne, a flavorful, colorful fish and rice dish you'll never forget. First, you'll need a fresh whole fish, usually grouper or snapper. You'll also need broken rice, tomato paste, garlic, onions, carrots, cabbage, eggplant and cassava. And don't forget the Scotch bonnet. It's Senegal's national dish, so it has to be spicy. Add some bay leaves and a mix of African spices. Now make the ROF, which is a blend of garlic, parsley, pepper and salt. Stuff it inside the fish. That's flavor sealed in. Next, sear the fish until golden. Then in the same pot, cook onions and tomato paste until rich and thick. Add water and vegetables and let them soak up that flavor. Now return the fish, add broken rice on top and steam it all together. Let it simmer low and slow and your kitchen will smell like magic. Plate it beautifully. Rice at the base, veggies around and fish on top. This isn't just food, it's a piece of Senegal in every bite. Try this once and you'll dream about it forever.